Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 2K camera glasses. This is going to be a 1-month review video. So let's get into it and let me show you how this product looks, features it has, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So these are the glasses right here. You can see from the front, it has the blue light filter right there. Your 2K camera is right in the middle here. This is how the frame looks. It's a black color. When you turn it under, your nose pads, this is where you charge and store the SD card. So it uses a USB-C charger. The battery life on this, it lasts a decent amount of time and it charges very fast. It comes with the 64 gig SD card, which is very convenient. Close that. You can turn it around. On top here, this is where you turn it on and off. And once you turn it on, if you press it one time, it takes the picture. And then when you do 2 times, then it starts to take the video. And in order to stop the video, you press it 2 times again. So let me show you. So you're gonna long press it. You're gonna wait until the red light turns blue. So it's gonna take a few seconds for there. So once it's blue, if you press it one time, it takes the picture and you can see the light change. So you press it once, so it took the picture. You press it 2 times, it's gonna blink, and now it's starting to record the video. So I'm actually recording myself filming this. Press it again 2 times, and then the video is gonna stop. It also comes with this nice case. Inside the case, you have your charging cable. You have this right here. So you have a USB-C to female USB-A. You have a micro SD card reader. You have a pin to reset it if it malfunctions. And you have this little device to pull out the SD card, or if you need to make any adjustments on the glasses. It also comes with a cleaning cloth to keep your glasses nice and clean. So this is the actual footage from the glasses. So you can see it's nice and clear. So I'm walking around my backyard and you can see how everything is captured clearly and it works very well. You see how everything looks. Now you gotta clean back here a little bit. So it's nice and clear and you can get all the details from everything here. So you can see how everything works well, even with movement. And then I'm going to show you how it looks on me. So this is how they look. The light on, light off. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great alternative for some smart glasses. I like how it comes with the carrying case, the cleaning cloth, and everything else that you need to get started. I like the 2K video quality. I like that it comes with the 64 gig SD card, and the battery life lasts a good amount of time on this. Thanks for watching.